Evening guys, hope everyone's okay. Bit of a change of weather, isn't it? Disappointed today, disappointed. So tomorrow, today being Thursday, tomorrow we are going to Derbyshire, and we were planning to go to Derbyshire in the motorhome. However, it ran perfectly on the Lincolnshire trip, 200-mile trip, no problem at all, ran perfectly. And then for whatever reason, I don't know, it's now decided it doesn't want to run. It's running like a pig, absolute pig. It'll start, but there's no way it's going to do a journey. The engine's running as rough as hell. Initially I thought it was probably an ignition problem, but having spoken to Carl from Roaming in Raymond, he's rightly come up with the idea that it could be a fuel issue, and he pointed me in the right direction of using some Easy Start. So we use the Easy Start as the fuel rather than petrol, and then to see if it continues running, spraying a load of Easy Start down the carburettor. And I don't know if I'm happy to report or not, but that does actually work. So it looks like it's a fueling issue. I'm not sure what my options are now. I could buy a second-hand carburettor for it. It's a 4-barrel Holley carburettor. I could buy a second-hand carburettor for it, or I could buy a repair kit, some new gaskets. Might do that actually, and repair it. So yeah, while I mull over what my options are for repairing it, I'll show you a video. So I took a little video tonight of the demonstration of using some Easy Start, and you'll see at one point when the Easy Start's really pushed into the carburettor, the engine for a moment there runs absolutely sweet, just showing that it's a fuel issue. And as soon as you take the Easy Start away, the engine just dies. So anyway, have a look at that, and we're back the weekend with a better video for you, because we are still going away the weekend, but not in the motorhome. All right, take it easy guys, catch you soon. Rob, go. That's it, and it's fuel. Look, it's cut out now. I've took the Easy Start off.